Olive from Olive to Craft, and today we're making holiday Christmas trees. You'll need pipe cleaners, pom-poms, and glue. You're going to take 2 pipe cleaners and twist them around each other. This will make them sturdier. You're going to keep going until you get to the end. If you want your tree to be taller like this one, take another set of pipe cleaners and twist them together like you did the first time, and then hook them together like this. Then you're going to twist it together a bit. And this next part can be a little pokey, so you might want to ask a grown-up to help you start. You're gonna curl the top end of your pipe cleaner down, and then you're gonna keep curling around, and it will, like a snail shell. See? Like a snail. When you're finished, it's going to loosen up a bit. And then you're going to push the center up a bit. And then you're going to pull the center up to be the top of your tree. It's time for the fun part. Let's decorate our tree. I'm going to start with the smaller pom-poms at the top, and then I'm going to add the big ones on at the bottom if I have room. I'm using fabric glue to stick the pom-poms on the tree. So you're going to put a tiny bit of glue on your pom-pom. Then you're going to stick it where you want on your tree. Now I'm going to use the big pom-poms. Purple. Now, it's time for the star. Gonna put some glue on here. The final touch. This is my finished tree. While we wait for our Christmas trees to dry, let's have a dance party! Christmas trees in your hair. Or you can use them to make a village. There's so many uses. Thanks for watching. Now get your craft on and get your happy on and have a crafty Christmas. Bye!